Good morning, dear children. Today we have to start question number 11. A truck and a bus started off at 10:30 a.m. from opposite ends of a highway. The truck traveled at a speed of 40 km per hour and the bus traveled at a speed of 54 km per hour. If they passed each other at 1 p.m., what was the length of the highway? So you see total speed, this truck is traveling at a speed of 40 km and bus is traveling at a speed of 54 km. So total speed will be 40 plus 54, that is 94 km per hour. And total time, you see, from 10:30 to 1 p.m. From 10:30 to 1 p.m. total time will be 2.5 hours. 10:30 to 1 p.m. total time will be 2.5 hours. Total time is given, total speed is given. So you can find out distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 94 into time is 2.5. So 94 into 2 to the 4, 1, 5 by 2. 94 into 5 by 2. 2 can divide 94. This is 2 4 ja 8. 2 7 ja 14. So 47 into 5. 47 into 5 is equal to 235 kilometers. So this is your answer. Now question number 12. A car started from town P and traveled towards town Q at 70 km per hour. At the same time, a van started from town Q and traveled to town P at 60 km per hour. After 3 by 4 hours, they were 65 km apart, still traveling towards each other. What is the distance between the two towns? So you see, total speed will be 70 plus 60. 70 plus 60, that is 130 km per hour. And total time is given, 2 whole 3 by 4 hours. 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4 hours. So total speed is given, total time is given. You can find out distance, total distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 130 into time is 11 by 4. So after simplifying, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10. Now 65 into 11, 11 5 ja 55, 5, 11 6 ja 66 plus 5, 71. So 715 upon 2. And 715 upon 2 means 357.5 kilometer. So total distance 357.5 plus 65. Because they were 65 kilometer apart. So 357.5 plus 65, that is 422.5 kilometer. So first part is over. Now second part. After how many hours of travel would they cross each other? After how many hours of travel would they cross each other? Means time you have to find out. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Distance is 422.5 upon speed is 130. So 422.5 upon 130. So multiplied by 10. Multiply by 10. So you will get 4225 upon 1300. Simplify it, divide it by 5 both. Ultimately you will get 13 upon 4. 13 upon 4 means 4 3 are 12, 1 13. So 3 whole 1 upon 4 hours. So this is second part. Now question number 13. A train is booked to do the run between two places 55 km apart in 1 hour 20 minutes. If it travels for the first 30 km at 36 km per hour, at what speed must it travel for the rest of the distance in order to complete the journey in time? So you see, time taken to complete 30 km is, time you can find out, time is equal to speed, distance upon speed. Distance is 30 km upon speed is 36 km per hour. So 30 upon 36. So 6 5 ja 30 and 6 6 ja 36. So 5 upon 6 hour. Total time taken to travel 55 km, it is given 1 hour 20 minutes. 1 hour 20 minutes you can change into hour. 1 hour 20 minutes means 20 upon 60 hour. So 0 will cancel, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. So 1 whole 1 upon 3 hour. 1 whole 1 upon 3 hour, it is 4 by 3 hour also. 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3 hour. Remaining distance 55 minus 30. 30 km is covered. So 55 minus 30, that is 25 km. And remaining time will be 4 by 3 minus this 4 by 3 minus 5 by 6. 4 by 3 minus 5 by 6. So take LCM of 3 and 6, that is 6. 6 divided by 3, that is 2. 2 4 ja 8. Minus 6 divided by 6, 1. 1 into 5, that is 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 by 6. And 3 by 6 means 1 by 2 hour. So speed for the remaining distance is, you see, speed for the remaining distance. Remaining distance is 25 km. So 25 upon 1 by 2 or 25 into 2, that is 50 km per hour. Because speed is equal to distance upon time. Remaining distance is 25 km and remaining time is 1 by 2 hour. So 25 by 1 by 2 or 25 into 2, that is 50 km per hour. Now question number 14, last question. Ajay walked at an average speed of 8 km per hour for 45 minutes and then ran at an average speed of 12 km for 40 minutes. What was his average speed for the whole journey? So Ajay's walking distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is 8 into time is 45 minutes. 45 minutes means 45.60 seconds. So 15 3 ja 15 4 ja and 4 2 ja 8 2 3 ja 6. So 6 km. Running distance 12 into speed into time. Time is 40 minutes. So 40 upon 60. So 0 and 0 will cancel. 6 2 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8. So 8 km. So 6 km walking distance and running distance is 8 km. So total distance will be 6 plus 8, 14 km. Total time, you see, total time is 45.60 means 3 by 4 hour and 40 upon 60 means 2 by 3 hour. So 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3, take LCM, 4 and 3, that is 12. 12 divided by 4, 3. 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, plus 12 divided by 3, that is 4. 4 2 is 8. So 9 plus 8, that is 17. 17 upon 12 hour. Now average speed you have to find out. You know average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. Total distance is 14 km upon total time is 17 by 12. So 14 upon 17 by 12 or 14 multiplied by 12 upon 17. So 14 into 12, that is 168 upon 17. Okay, 168 upon 17. You may write this also, or 9 whole 15 upon 17 kilometer per hour. That's all for today. Have a nice day.